I finished my raised bed. Now what I'm going to do is get ready to plant vegetables in it. But if you're going to do something like this, whether it's planting a lawn, a flower garden, or a vegetable garden, a good and an intelligent place to start is with a soil test. And here's a way to take it. Dig a hole 6 to 8 inches deep and then shave the side off the hole. Take a spade and take a thin layer of that soil all the way down and send that to your local state extension service. They'll mail you test results. It's a small fee, but well worth it. The results will show you what you need to add to grow a specific crop. I told them I was going to build a vegetable garden. My pH is too low, so I need to add lime. My organic matter is way too low. I need to add more organic matter. And today, I'm going to show you just how to do that. This tiller of mine goes about 8 inches deep, and that's what I'm looking for, good depth. What I want to do is till under all the grass and weeds, get that thoroughly dead. It'll add to the organic matter, and then I'm going to start adding my soil amendments, peat moss, manure, humus, even the limestone. And what I'm going to do is till a bit, add a layer of organic matter, till it in again. That mixes it as deeply into the soil as possible. It also builds up the soil in depth. As you can see, I've built my box level, and I want to add enough soil and organic matter to make a level garden bed. Once we've got all the grass and weeds tilled in, it's time to add our layers of organic matter. Peat moss, humus, steer manure, all of that improves soil porosity, soil drainage, and at the same time helps to hold moisture and nutrients in the soil. What we want to do is get about a 2-inch layer at a time and then till that in, and then we'll be ready to add our next layer. You may wonder why I'm adding topsoil instead of just peat moss and humus and other soil amendments. The addition of topsoil adds clay, silt, and sand particles to the soil. And those are nothing more than particle sizes of crushed rock. And that's good because the crushed rock actually contains as well as holds nutrients. The peat moss and the organic matter, on the other hand, improve aeration and drainage and actually hold water better. So both are necessary. If we mix them in the right proportions, what we'll wind up with is called a loam soil, and that'd be great for the garden. As you can see, by adding alternating layers of organic matter and topsoil, we've greatly increased the volume of our garden. It's now level, and in fact, it's ready to plant, except for one thing. We're applying lime. What lime does to the soil is raise the pH. We find that most vegetable garden plants do best at a pH of about 6.5, and this soil started at 5. Limestone will bring it up. And when we're done with that, the only thing we have left to do is plant the garden.